Welcome to BeachBoard. BeachBoard is the learning management system that connects you to your instructor and course materials. Before you log in, note that this is where you can find the link to our BeachBoard help pages and how you can contact the Technology Help Desk for any assistance. Please also check that you are using a BeachBoard supported browser. Please log in with your campus ID number and your Beach ID password, which should be the same as your MyCSULB password. If you are having any trouble logging in, please contact the Technology Help Desk. After logging in, the site will direct you to My Homepage. On the top right corner, you should see your name. Click on your name to access your profile, notifications, and account settings. Click on Profile. Here you can change your picture by clicking Change Picture and uploading an image from your computer. Don't forget to click Save when finished. You can also sign up to receive email and text notifications from your courses. To sign up, click on your name in the top right corner and click Notifications. To change your email settings, click on Change Your Email Settings, and to receive text messages, click on Register Your Mobile. Click Save. On the My Homepage, you can see news updates from courses and organizations that you are enrolled in. To the right of that is the My Courses list. Here you can see the title of courses you are enrolled in. If you do not see a course that you signed up for, your instructor may not have yet activated the course. Click on the course name to enter. This is the course homepage. On the top, you should see the course name. Below that is your navbar. There are your links to navigate to the course home, content, Dropbox, quizzes, class lists, grades, and discussions. Your professor has control of what links are present, so the navbar may look different from course to course. On the course homepage, there are different types of info boxes that we call widgets. Your instructor is able to customize these. Here, you can also see news updates, calendar, and access to the university library resources. Accessing content. To access the course assignments and readings, click Content. To view a document, click on the name of a file. To download, click the arrow next to the file name and click Download. Content also has a feature where you can track your completion of course assignments. At the top of each section, a bar will show a percentage of the topics that you have viewed so far. Accessing quizzes. Click Quizzes in your navbar. You will see quiz names for any quizzes that your professors have created. To take a quiz, click on the title of the quiz. On the page displayed, you will see details about the quiz, including the time limit, the number of attempts allowed, and the period in which you can take the quiz. Once you are prepared, click Start Quiz. As you go through a quiz, be sure to save your responses. Once you have answered all of your questions, click the Go to Submit Quiz button. In the quiz submission confirmation page, click Submit Quiz, and in the final confirmation page, click Yes, Submit Quiz. Using the class list. Click on Class List from the course navbar. From the class list, you can email students, professors, and teaching assistants in your course. To email a user, simply click on their name and compose the email, and click Send. To email multiple users, click the checkboxes next to their names. Compose your email, and click Send. If you would like to send emails to all users in the course, click Email Class List. On the next page, click Send Email. Then, compose your email and click Send. If your email has sent successfully, you will receive a confirmation email saying that the send was successful. Viewing grades. Click the Grades icon on the course navbar. If your professor has set up the gradebook, you will be able to see a list of grade items for the course. To the right of each item, you will see the item types and the points that you have scored on the items. Logging out. Once you have finished your BeachBoard session, click on the drop-down next to your name on the minibar, and click Log Out.